Today I want to show you how I install the screen protector for Samsung A7C S7. This is a 12.4-inch display. So let's get started. First, we have to make sure that we have the scotch tape for the sides. These are two. We cut the scotch tape already. And before you start, make sure your hand there's no dust. In my case, I use this a bowl of water and I just dip my hand into it so that I can remove some of the dust on my hand. Then now we have to clean the surface of this screen by using the alcohol salt provided by screen protector. By the way, before you install this screen protector, if you intend to install also the protective cover, the magnetic protective cover, you should install it first before you install the screen protector. It's just that because if you don't put the cover here, and if you were to install it without a magnetic cover, sometimes the edges here might hit the edges here, and at the edges it might be flipped up. Then at the edges you have some bubbles and it will not be nice to look at, and it also would spoil faster. So that's why we should install the magnetic cover first before installing the screen protector. But if you don't intend to install a magnetic cover, just omit my advice. So now I just clean the surface of this Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and we will install the scotch tape. So this installation is complete.